Hello, my name is Ryan Klug, and I am the Computer Lab Manager at Case Western Reserve University's Law Library. Today I will be running you through how to use Papercut's WebPrint feature to print to the Law Library's printers. First, you'll need to go to papercut.case.edu and log in using your case ID and password. This will bring you to the user summary page here, and you'll have these options on the side. Today we'll just be discussing WebPrint. When you click on WebPrint, it will bring you to your active job page. If you have any jobs pending printing, they will show up here. If you wish to submit a new job to print, you'll click on Submit a Job, and you'll need to select which printer you wish to use. Your options will be the Library First Floor printer, the Laws Library Lab, and the Laws Library Lab Color. These bottom two are the ones that are in our computer lab for black and white and color printing, respectively. Once you've selected the printer you wish to use, click on Print Options and Account Selection in the bottom right-hand corner, which will give you the option to set the number of copies you want. Once you have that set, click on Upload Documents. From here, you'll click on Upload from Computer and choose which document you wish to print. Once you have your document uploaded, you can click on Upload and Complete. Once you have your document uploaded, you can click on Upload and Complete, and this will send your document to the printer where you can go pick it up. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact myself at rxk604@case.edu.